Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to upload multiple files in the Discord at once. So before that, this option is not available on the Discord, but now you can use this feature. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Discord. Once you will open it, log into your account and you have to click on this plus icon and click on the upload a file. So once you will click on it, now you can select different files from here. Let's suppose I want to add these three multiple files here. Open it. As you will see, these files are added. Also you can click on this pencil icon and sorry, let's suppose click on this plus icon and you can add description from here. So click on the save after adding the description and send it all at once. So hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.